Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a different type of unboxing. This is going to be towards crochet. I went to Michael's today and I saw this yarn stand for loops and threads, and I'm actually working on a crochet project right now where I'm working with a few different yarns, and I currently have them like in a box, and I'll insert a picture here to show you how I've been working, and that's kind of annoying. So I saw this yarn stand over there and they had a 40% coupon, 40% off. So I said, why not? Let me just buy this. This looks like it can hold about, definitely 4 skeins of yarns, but it could probably hold 5 or 6 depending. So I did went ahead and opened up the box. Everything came out, it's empty, and it came in pieces. Now, one thing about things I've assembled back before from Michael's, the instructions are not very clear. So we are going to work with what we have. So this is the instructions. It just tells you what the pieces, how many pieces you should have for each, the quantity of each piece that you should have. So, and then it starts, it starts giving you the instructions here. So the first thing to do is we're gonna put this together. Now, it came with these pieces like that, like this, all these screws, and then it came with this box. Now, I have a scissor here. And here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the floor stand. This is heavy. Wow. Oh my God, that's heavy. Woo. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. So it's really sturdy. Look at that. Hold on. I'm all over the place right now. Okay, here we go. Look at that. Okay. So, I guess the first thing you want to do is put that in there. Oh, but you need to put something on the bottom. So we're gonna figure this out all together. And in the meantime, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, consider subscribing. The channel is mostly with cross stitch. I dabble in a little bit of diamond painting, but crochet is another craft that I like to work on, and I'm actually working on a few projects, so I'm trying to balance my time with cross stitch and crochet at the moment. So it says here we have to put Q is the Allen key. So I have that. I know I saw it somewhere. Oh, there it is. I have the Allen key. And then, so let's put this together. So it says, take out the Allen key. Let's take out everything from here. The Allen key, you need 1 screw, which is O. Okay, this one. And then M. It's really small. Oh, that's just this one. No, it's M. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then we're gonna do that. We're gonna do an L, which is what? L is, oh, so M is a smaller one, sorry. You're gonna see me struggle here, okay, because my husband is the one that usually assembles things. But, hold on. Okay, now we're going to put the basket. We're gonna attach it. So I already got the nail here, the screw. I'm just gonna screw it in a little bit. And then here. Yeah, so with these, it doesn't really tell you what is what. You just have to guess, depending on the picture, which piece is labeled, you know, here. Like they don't give you like the actual letters. So that's one thing I don't like about these instructions, so I'll tell you that. And I may have done something wrong. No, yep, I sure did. Okay, so here I know. Okay, so we have to put, okay, J, and then C is what? C is these. So we put it in like this. Well, how does that go in there? Okay. Okay. Confused. Unless it like screws in or something, like J. And what's this? No. I'm confused because all of these are like dented, meaning you can't like do anything with these unless I'm like a little slow right now. I don't know. Okay. Okay, so I figured this out. All right, so these sticks are gonna go on the side like this. If you can see it, hold on. All right, they're gonna go like this, but we have to attach it. So, sorry. So you take this screw, you insert it here on this side of the stick. This side is open. This is the one where the screw goes in. So we would go in here, short side in first. Then we'll take one of these bunny shaped ones, and we screw it in. It doesn't really screw in, you just put it on, and then we're gonna insert it here, and then we put the other one on this side of the, sorry, I have tape on my fingers, on the other side of that screw, and then we start screwing this in there. And that's how you have it. And ta-da. Ta-da. There you go. So we did that part. And I already did the basket. And then these little knobs go towards the end of the sticks here. They're like little closures, more or less. Like that. And then, which I did that already. And then says you can insert these these screws here and insert them here. And I guess it's just to hold the yarn in place. So like the skein would go in here and then this would hold it in place. Like that. This is cool. The instructions weren't the best, but I think it's cool. And look, and now you have this thing where you can make it higher. You can make it higher, taller, shorter, and it'll stop it there. And it'll hold it in place. And I think that was it. That was everything. Yeah. And yeah. So let me show you here. So this is the Michael's stand. Like I said, this is where the yarn, the skein would go in, and then it would hold it in place. And then you can put another skein or two here. You can put your needles, the stitch markers, anything like that. But I think it's neat. I think it looks really nice. It moves as you're crocheting. I think it's neat. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys bought this already? The loops and thread yarn stand. I think it's pretty cool. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Please let me know what you think in the comments. And until next time, take care of each other and keep on crafting. Bye.